Another package. I think this was open already. Well, actually I opened it, so this is a quick unboxing. This is the lever guards for the bikes. Mostly it's a universal fit for most sport bikes. I think it adds a little, adds a good look to the bike. Makes it more look like a racing bike. That's my goal on making bikes to look like the MotoGP or SBK racing, all that type of sport bikes. This is a good add-on. As you can see, this is the brake levers. Guards comes with everything. Package itself, it's red. They got different colors. I think they got blue, black, red, yellow, and some other colors, green. So basically, this thing goes on the side of your lever, your brake lever. So this one goes on the right side. So basically, it goes right here. It covers your lever, and this for the right side, this for the left side. But I'm just gonna use one for the right side, like the MotoGP ones. It goes on the side. It's kind of have like a carbon fiber look on it. It's all plastic. All this plastic in the housing of the lever guard. It's aluminum, and you got the expanders that goes inside of the handlebar, so you can tie it and then get a secure fit. Basically, that's the package. Comes with these accessories, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put them on the bike, see if you like them. When I'm finished with the bike, I'm gonna make a video. I'll walk around on the bike and show you all the things that I did to the bike, and hope you like it, and then try it on your own bike. So thanks for watching, see you next time.